3 years will pass anyway. Why not spend them building something that can keep growing? Think about it for a moment. 3 years from today will come whether you do something different or not. Time doesn't wait for anyone. The real question is, what will you have built when those 3 years are over? Many people spend years doing the same thing, hoping life will somehow change. But hope without action rarely changes anything. It rarely changes anything. Not by working endless extra hours, but by sharing an opportunity with people and allowing them to decide if it's right for them. Small actions, repeated consistently, can create amazing results. 3 years might sound like a long time today, but one day you'll wake up and realize they've already passed. So ask yourself, 3 years from now, do you want to look back and say, I'm glad I'm started, or I wish I had? Put a yes in my comments. I'll send you the details.